are an excellent driver, Garrett Brown.
Yeah. Look. Has a window so you can look.
I'm
That's a
watching.
car. This one. Look. Has a door that you can come out.
I see that. Isn't that so handy?
And you can put this back together and you can push it and you can get it out and get the mail real fast.
That is a great idea. I think Gideon's working on the workshop, don't you?
Yeah.
Let's check him out.
Let's see here.
We will. Gideon's doing an important job.
Hey, Gideon. I can't find something else in here. I don't find something else.
Something else?
That, let's say happy or yes.
That's a great idea. Are you stuck, baby? Oh, good job. You got it.